Good day everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an exam application in STREAMLIT. Let's start to our tutorial. For the starting, let's write a title to our application and call it exam. And as you see, our application looks like this, and we will start to add questions to our application. For that, I will choose multiple question types, and for this purpose, we need to use st.radio function, which will help us to create multiple choice questions. Here we will write our question. For example, let's write find the answer 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2. And after we write the question, we will write here our choices. Let's use 3 choices, but of course you can add more if you want. Let's write, for example, 10, 15, and 20. Let's switch to STREAMLIT to see how it looks. As you can see, we have a question and 3 choices for the user to choose from. Let's add 2 more questions for our exam. I will quickly type the questions here. For example, let's write find the decimal value of 101. Let's add 4, 5, and 6 as choices. And finally, the last question. For example, let's write find the relationship between radius and diameter. And finally, d is equal to r divided by 2. Let's switch to STREAMLIT. So we have 3 questions here in the STREAMLIT application. But let's say we want to check our answers and print out the final score for the user. If we want that, we need to save these choices to variables. For example, let's write answer 1 is equal to and answer 2 and answer 3 in the same format. When we equal the st.radio to a variable, the look doesn't change. We just store the choice of user to the variables to use them later on. And now we can check the answers and print out the score. Let's create score is equal to 0 if answer 1 is equal to 15. Then we will increase score by 5 points. Let's check this for all the answers. If answer 2 is equal to 5 and answer 3 is equal to radius equal to d by 5. So when we have the correct answers, our score will increase. At the end, let's create a button to print out the answers. Let's call it, for example, button is equal to st.button, and it will be written submit. When the user wants to submit his or her answers, we will print out the score, and for that we need if here if button, then st.write. I will use f string here. Your score is score. Okay, now let's check our STREAMLIT application. For example, let's keep the answers like this. First one will be wrong, second one is wrong, and third one is correct. And when I submit the answers, it prints out your score is 5. Now let's change, for example, the first question to a correct answer and submit again. And now the score will be 10. This is how you create an exam application with multiple choice questions in the Streamlit. Thank you very much.